What up, YouTube? In this video we're gonna be working on the drift car once again. Last video I basically just did a little bit of maintenance on it. We got the fence working and functioning properly. Now in this video, hopefully by the end of it, this car will have big brakes in the front. For those of you that don't know, I use Nissan S14 brakes, OEM brakes that is, in the front and rear. But for the rear, I got this dual caliper setup, so I'm able to run dual calipers. For the fronts though, let's say that this car makes too much power and it's a little bit too heavy for the engine that's in it. So the brakes, the OEM Nissan S14 brakes on this car just don't work. These are the non-ABS version of them. They are basically the smallest that you can get. Like I said, they just don't cut it. It does work if you are in a situation where you have to stop quickly. This shit's not gonna stop. So I ordered a big brake kit. Hopefully they fit with the wheels. My biggest issue is that basically I can go all out and buy the biggest brakes I can find. The issue is that I want to keep these wheels, and they don't have a big brake face, or a face where a big brake will fit, so I had to keep them kind of small. So basically I did a little bit of research, and these brakes that I got hopefully will fit. I'm not 100%, like I said, just for pictures. And so let's see, I'll show you guys what those look like next. All right guys, so here we have the big brake kit for this car, if you want to call it that. It is a 4-piston caliper, compared to the single piston that's on it right now, which I will be showing you guys in a minute. The rotor itself is almost double the size than what's on the car right now, and of course it's gonna be using these style pads. It's not gonna be the same style as he has on right now. So let's take the wheel off and show you guys what I'm working with. And here we have it. I mean, you can tell by the size of it. I mean, this is my hand. These are very small brakes. Single piston caliper. Yeah, so like I said, this is all S14, non-ABS model brakes. Like I said, they do work. They stop the car. They just don't have enough clamping force for the power and also the weight of the vehicle. It is a 2JZ after all, and as you know, these are heavy engines. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. This kit, in theory, should be plug and play. Everything that I need should be here. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so as you saw in the time lapse, I took off the OEM brake. For those of you that watched the video of me drifting, you'll know that I was having issues with these wheels in the front. Hitting the inner fender well or the wheel arch inside the car. Every time I turned, basically the car was stopping. And here's what was happening. You can see where the tire was hitting. Like I said, this car was never meant to have angle. Even though this car does not have angle kit in the front, it does have more angle than it would have had when it was front wheel drive, of course, because of the axles and stuff. But that's the issue that I'm running into. I do have to fix that. For now, every time I go drifting, I just gonna be throwing smaller tires. But yeah, so if we look over to this, I mean, you can see the size difference. Holy cow! I mean, look at this thing. It's like a baby. Yeah, this isn't the biggest brake kit out there, but compared to this, I mean, single piston, that's 4 piston, And then the size of it, pretty big. It should definitely clear the wheels that I currently have. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it and see what it looks like. I wasn't sure how this went. It is my first time working with this style brakes. Um, I found this from pictures that I found online. This is how it goes. Is it right? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go by that. But other than that, like I said, this kit came with everything. I'm gonna go ahead and bleed them, make sure that the wheel fits. Yeah. No. Fuck. It doesn't fit. Let me show you guys. Well, thankfully, I mean, I knew it was gonna clear wheel, but it doesn't clear the actual face. You can actually see it hits, but it's by like nothing. I mean, fuck. Probably I'm gonna have to run spacers. I didn't want to run spacers, but it is what it is. I'm actually order them right now. Damn it. Well, all right, guys. So it is unfortunate. I did a little bit of research. I found the spacers I need, but they won't be here for like the next 3 days. Today is Friday. They should be here Monday or Tuesday. Not really sure. Which sucks. I still wanted to drive this car for the weekend, and what I'm gonna have to do, because these wheels don't clear the big brakes, didn't want to do it, but I'm gonna be throwing spacers on, and I'm gonna run my drift spares in the front. But yeah, in order to run these, in order to run those wheels, because they're really narrow, they're like stock Honda CR-V wheels. I have to run these spacers. I believe this is 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches, something like that. Just for clearance, because it'll be like way too deep and it'll look really bad. So I will be installing these and those. With these wheels, it fits just fine. No issues.